school, they teach this in a box method, okay? In college, they teach it with FOIL, and we are going to learn it with FOIL. So if your Algebra 2 teacher says you have to use the box method, you're just going to have to learn to adjust a little, all right? FOIL, to me, is so much easier. The box method, you can look that up if you'd like, multiplying binomials by the box method. And what you have to do is you have to draw a box, and you have to put one binomial on one side of the box, one binomial on the other side, and then you have to fill in your boxes, and then you combine what's in there. And to me, it's just more, it keeps you organized, but it's more complicated to me. So, notes, multiplying binomials, FOIL method. How do you use the FOIL method to multiply binomials? The following steps demonstrate how to use FOIL on this multiplication problem. Multiply the first term of each binomial together. So, here you've got F stands, so we're going to do FOIL, F-O-I-L, okay? So, F stands for first. So, you have these two binomials here. All right, and I'll zero in a little bit more. Okay, you have these two binomials, and you are going to multiply the first terms together. So when you multiply 3x times 2x, you end up with 6x squared. Okay, because x times x gives x squared. So then you end up with 6x squared. Okay, that's first, that's F. So think about FOIL as first, outer, inner, last, okay? So, I guess we could write that out. F is first. Then you've got O for outer. Then you've got I, which means inner, and L, which means last. Okay? So, you've got first, outer, inner, last. And if you notice, they've got that up here. Here is x times x. That's first. Outer is your x times 5 because that's your outer terms. Inner is your inner two terms, 3 times x. And then last is the last term from this one and the last term for this one. So that's what we're doing here. So we got 6x. All right. Then you're going to do O outer, which is 3x times 1, which is plus 3x, all right? Then now you're going to do inner, which is negative 4 times 2x, which is negative 8x, okay? Then you do last, which is the last term in each binomial, negative 4 times 1. So that gives you negative 4. So then you have to combine like terms. You end up like this, and you combine your two x's that are in the middle, and you end up with 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. Okay? So here we go. Let's try a couple. First one we're going to try is right here. Number 1. 6x squared. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops, I'm wrong. That was the answer. All right. So we've got 3n plus 2 times n plus 3. Okay. Remember, we're using FOIL. Okay. Trying to get these things lined up today. It didn't work very well. All right. So first terms, we're going to take, now if you put your 1 there so you remember there's a 1, okay, and you've got the first term of this binomial times the first term in this binomial. So 3n times n gives you what? 3n squared. So now I have 3n squared. Okay? That is your F. So I'm going to be using FOIL on all of these. I'm going to write that up there to remind myself. All right? Then I have my O to do, which is outer. So I'm going to do the first term, come in, times the last term, because those are the two outer terms. It's the door. Come in. And that is 3n times 3, which gives you what? 9n. So we are plus 9n. Okay? Then we get,
Miss May wants you to post the dilation notes on Google Classroom.
okay, we'll tell her I'll do it as soon as I'm done teaching algebra. Okay, I'm sorry. You need it now? I haven't even uploaded it. Give me, shoot.
You said come in like 4 times.
I know,
Oh, I
but
can't hear
he
you.
can't hear because that door's probably metal and I didn't yell out enough. Give me a couple minutes, okay, and I'll get it up. All right. Then you've got outer, then inner. So 2 times n gives you what? 2n. So plus 2n. You're multiplying. Remember, you can't combine add or subtract like terms, but you can. You guys are all crazy. That's all I have to say.
Do you want me to email it to you?
No. No, it's just.
I don't.
Is this one test?
Yep.
So you want B for your answer key. There's no number 3.
Right. It's
So
1,
I've gotta
2,
renumber
3,
it?
4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, if there's like numbers left, I can.
It's okay.
I was just.
It's just you're giving this on Thursday. I've had a test handed to me yesterday for today. I had a test handed to me yesterday for Wednesday, and a test from you guys today for Thursday. Okay, thanks.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Got it. I'll
And
get
then we
here at
gotta make
6
one for
tomorrow
Denby
morning
that
too.
has 100 questions.
What? 100 questions? Yeah. Okay.
Make that one for Denby.
Love ya. By the way, I need your MOY before Christmas break. All right? Thank you. Tell them if they don't, I will beat them with a wet noodle. No. It's not a big deal, but we just an ELA coordinator needs more than 2 days notice too.
Well,
You know what I mean?
I'm just mean like take some slack
I know,
off here.
but you guys, love ya. It's okay. Love ya. Anyways,
So,
So-
beat 'em with a wet noodle.
we're on last. So our last term is 2 times 3, which is what? Plus 6. Then all we have to do is combine our like terms, which happen to be together. Isn't that nice?
3n squared
So we have
plus
3n squared plus 11n plus
4.
6. And you're done. Okay?
That's pretty easy.
All right, let's try one more. Okay, then I'm going to give you your work and I'm going to try and take care of all these other people. N minus 1 times n minus 2. Okay? So first, F for first. First term times first term. 1 times 1 is what? 1. So you still have 1n squared. Outer. 1n times negative 2 gives you what?
2 and minus 2.
Where? Here?
Your second one.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2. All right. And outer is 1n times negative 2, which gives you negative 2n. Then inner, negative 1 times positive 2 gives you negative 2n. Negative 1 times negative 2 gives you positive 2. Combine your like terms. You've got 2n squared. A negative 2n and a negative 2n is a negative 4n plus 2. Okay? Do I need to do another one?
That's easy.
Okay. All right. Okay. So